It all started with an idea: on-demand delivery within the hour. The vision was clear. The execution, not so much. We were looking for realistic delivery solutions that managed a massive database of suppliers in a highly regulated category. We needed the fastest help we could get. So we called a few typical tech partners. But they were much more talk-led than tech-led. Until we met Lumenalta. That's when the next light bulb went on. They didn't just build tech. They showed up with an elite squad, laser-focused on quality and results. They got us up and running. And they delivered, literally. And when the build was complete, they were there with us to help seal the deal. Every business hits dark moments. The key is how fast you switch to light mode. Lumenalta. Enter light mode.